Thank you so much, Sir Jerwin. A pleasant greetings to everyone. I would like to extend my deepest respect and admiration to our beloved GCB founder, Ma'am Dorishin, CPA, whose vision has guided us on. To our brave and clever global GCB ambassador and founder of GCB Campaign Philippines, Ma'am Lomari. Thank you for your leadership. I also want to recognize our guest speakers from across the globe and my fellow Filipino ambassadors. Good evening, good morning to all. As a real estate agent, my journey with Pi Network began during the pandemic when one of my agents introduced it to me. Although I was initially skeptical, I decided to keep mining because it was free. Today, I have no regret. I am grateful for the decision I made. As an appointed ambassadors and merchant coordinator, I am excited about my advocacy to educate more merchants and miners who are eager to embrace the evolution of digital payments in goods and services. We are witnessing a significant shift towards decentralization, and it's our duty to guide others in this transition. Through house-to-house visits with merchants and our bartering events, we have been able to spread the message of GCB. I want to acknowledge the incredible team I work with. Muntinlupa City Ambassador, Ms. Jennifer Batolan, our energetic photographer and videographer, Ms. Amor Gahelimo, Omar, the spirited ambassador of Pasay City, and Emelinda Fernandez, the unstoppable ambassador of Quezon City. I would like also to highlight Mr. Franklin Novicio, the man with the golden heart in Mandaluyong City. Professor Leonardo, the Vice Professor of Taguig, and Ms. Kat Ignacio, our young and enthusiastic ambassador of Pasig City. Special thanks to Sir George Torsar, our supportive vanguard of GCB Philippines. Together, we are living in testimonies of how embracing digital payments can transform our lives. We are also committed to eradicating the black market and any unauthorized exchanges that undermine the integrity of our payment systems. This is a challenging task, but it is crucial for ensuring the security and legitimacy of our transactions. I have faced skepticism from my family and some co-miners, but I remain calm and steadfast. They are only a few compared to the millions of miners who are hopeful and eager to learn. It is our responsibility to educate and motivate them, helping them to participate in this remarkable endeavor so that GCB can prevail around the globe. To all GCB ambassadors worldwide, let us persevere with enthusiasm. Together, under the guidance of our founder, Ma'am Dorishin, CPA, and our global GCB ambassador, Ma'am Lomari, we can realize the vision of a new era and Pi payments through the GCB price of $314,159. With God Almighty blessings, I believe we will soon harvest the fruits of our labor. Together, we can shape the future of the Pi powered by the GCB price 314159. Thank you and mabuhay.